1751 Parkway Drive is located directly on Dog River. From the privacy-fenced backyard there is a view of the river. The owner tells me there is plenty of activity out on the water. We are always seeing boaters and kayaks. I personally like the wildlife we get to see. There are ducks and geese. I have had several opportunities to feed them and it is quite a joyous experience. The bulkhead was rebuilt in 2013. There is an attractive living room on the front of the house. The living room opens to the rest of the living space. Designed for comfortable living and entertaining, this is the bar area between the living room, den, and kitchen. The entire interior looks and feels new and modern. The owner is willing to include the refrigerator, washer, and dryer in the sale. There is a spacious dining area. The owner loves that the house has so much storage space. There are closets in every room with ample storage. The owner says she doesn't think she has used all the space available. There is a very spacious sunroom on this side of the house. Here is another view of the sunroom. There is also a good storage closet in the sunroom. The TV and setup are super awesome. It is like being in a theater and creates a very comfortable atmosphere. Football games are great because, as we all know when watching the games, bigger is better. The 84-inch screen, projector and built-in surround system including a subwoofer will remain with the house. The master bedroom has a large walk-in closet and plenty of space. The built-in areas in the master bedroom create a wonderful working space. It is especially nice because it is a catch-all and gives you a place to put your keys and purse out of the way. The double vanities and shelves are very helpful. Lots of times bathrooms don't have enough places to put everything. There is more than enough room in this bathroom. The owner loves the waterfall shower in the master bathroom. It is very relaxing. There is an attractive second bedroom. There is a large updated hall bathroom. The third bedroom is currently being used as an office. The covered patio is a nice outdoor place to sit and enjoy the water view. The outside bar and brick pit is one more reason the backyard is great for entertaining or just relaxing. The owners love to grill or just unwind in the private oasis.